The letter that we're learning today is called Fe. Fe has the F sound, like Frank or forest or friend. It has the F sound, and it combines normally with all of the vowels that we're learning, and I'll recite them for us. Fa, fu, bo, fe, fi. Joseph, could you take a turn at reciting the Fe with its vowels kindly?
Excuse me, Mr. Dan. Can you follow in the pronunciation?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Can you follow in the pronunciations?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand what Brian was asking.
Okay, pardon. I'm asking, can you pardon on fa pronunciations?
Oh, yeah. You want me to repeat the pronunciations of the vowels or of the letters?
Of the letters itself, please.
Okay.
Okay,
Of
thank
the
you.
letter we're studying now, which is the Fe, or of all of the Hebrew letters?
The fa.
Okay, the Fe has the F sound,
Yeah.
like far, far away, friend, fellow, forest, has the F sound.
Mm-hmm.
When we combine it with a vowel, and I'll share again.
Yes, I think Brian
Yeah.
Brian was in yesterday's class, and he saw pay and fa and fei and pay look similar.
Right.
Yes, he has to understand the difference between fei and pay. That
I see.
That is what may be confusing, because they look similar.
Well noted.
Yes.
Right. So we will have an opportunity to see both a pay and a fei.
Yes.
And they are sisters. So we'll have an opportunity to see them side by side and understand better what the difference is. But to give you a sneak preview into that answer, the pay has a dot inside of the letter, and the fei has no dot. So when there's no dot, we understand that it's the F sound. Good question, and thank you, Joseph, for clarifying for me that there could be some confusion. If you'd kindly recite for us once more, I think that will also help us to understand the pronunciation of the Fe.
Pa, pu, po, pe, pi.
Well done. I am thinking that either Brian or Moses would like to take a turn at this recitation of the Fe with the vowels. Do you want to give it a try, Brian?
Yeah, I can try. Can I give it a try?
Okay. Let me bring it back for us. Go ahead, kindly.
Mm-hmm. Fa.
Good.
Fu.
Good.
Po.
Excellent.
Fe.
Well done.
Pi.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Yeah. Moses, could I ask you to give it a shot?
I can try.
Okay. Let me bring it back up on the screen for us. I think I just need to bring it back. Oh, I'm sorry for the delay. One moment, please. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, here we go. Starting with the fa, kindly.
ขา
Good.
หู
Well done.
ฝอ
Yes.
แฝ ปี
Well done. Well done. So we have the opportunity for some additional drill. And Joseph, I'll ask you to go through these fairly quickly for us, but I think it'll be something of a challenge for you since it is a new letter. If you'd kindly recite the fe with the various vowels, it would be great.
fa, fe, fa, pi,
Excellent.
fu, pi, fu, pa,
Well done. Continue.
fo, pa, fo, fu,
Excellent. Next.
fe, fu, fe, fo,
Very good. And lastly,
fe, sorry, fi,
right.
fo, pi, fe.
Well done. Well done. What we like to do every day is a little bit of a challenge to simply name the letters that we've learned up until this point. Joseph, maybe you have a better idea of the count than I do. I think we're on maybe the 17th or 18th Hebrew letter now.
I think 17th because you said that Pei is a sister to Fei.
Right. So it's a same family, so it would be number 17, right?
Yes.
So the challenge is now simply to name the letters that we've learned thus far, and this will be great review for Maria and for Moses and for Brian. And please stop by the YouTube channel. If you need that link, message me that you do need the link again. And you can watch the beginnings of the videos in the playlist. It's good to go to the playlist because the videos are in the same order there as the letters appear in the alphabet. And really just by looking at the beginnings of those videos, you're going to be caught up very quickly. So I encourage you to go there. I believe both of you have already subscribed, but if you haven't yet, I'd be very grateful if you would subscribe at the YouTube channel. So just let me know if you need that link. Joseph, your assignment now is to start on line 2, and I can't use the pointer in these documents. I'm sorry to say.
I'm able to see your pointer. You can just use your pointer.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. If you could identify the names of the letters, that would be great.
Fa. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm supposed to
Just the names of the letters.
names of the
They-
letters.
Right.
Pei.
Great.
The third one, Ayin.
No, this is the pay. When the dot is inside, it's the pay.
Okay, sorry. I can begin. The first one is Pei.
Right.
The second one, Pei.
Right.
Ayin.
Well done.
Samek.
Excellent.
Final noon,
Very good.
noon. Final mem,
Excellent. Line 3.
pay, 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 samech, pay, ayin, gimel,
Gimel. Well done. Continuing kindly.
hey, lamed, pay, ayin, pay, final noon,
Right.
samech.
Well done. Let's do line 5, and that will give us an opportunity for one more recital of the letters, if you'd be so kind.
Aleph, pay, final noon,
Careful here. This is the final chaf.
oh yes, final half, hey, ayin,
Nice.
vav,
Right.
noon.
Very good.